Hey, this is Mish B, and I'm going to be singing Dance For You by Beyonce. I just want to show you how much I appreciate you. Want to show you how much I'm dedicated to you. Want to show you how much I will forever be true. Want to show you how much you got your girl feeling good. Want to show you how much you understood. Want to show you how much I value what you say. Not only are you loyal, you're patient with me, babe. Want to show you how much I really care about your heart. Want to show you how much I hate being apart. Want to show you till you're through with me. Gonna keep it how it is, so you can never say how it used to be. Loving you is really all that's on my mind, and I can't help that I think about it day and night. I wanna make your body rock, sit back and watch. Tonight I'm gonna dance for you. Oh, oh, oh. Tonight I'm gonna dance for you. Oh, oh, oh. Tonight I'm gonna put my body on your body. Promise not to tell nobody. It's about to go down, and I'll be rocking on my babe, rocking on my babe, swirling on my babe, swirling on my babe. Let me put my body on your body. Promise not to tell nobody. It's about to go down. You never need to, 'cause I will be your number one. Them other chicks are superficial, but you know that I'm the one. That's why I'm all into you. I know you recognize it, you know that. That's why I'm back in this thing back. Pop in this thing back. Drop, popping this thing back. This is for the times you give me flowers, for the world, and it's hours for the moonlight, for the power of love. Bye.